Today we are going to make onion crostini. This recipe has onions, cheese and dry tomatoes in it and can be ready in under 30 minutes, making it a crunchy, delicious appetizer. For this recipe, we need 1 sliced baguette, 50 grams dried roasted tomatoes. To slice the French baguette, I'm using my magical knife, but you can also use a regular one. 100 gram diced onion. To dice this onion, I just use my powers, but your regular knife should do the trick. 500 gram sliced mushrooms. 50 gram grated parmesan. Some fresh parsley. 2 garlic cloves and half teaspoon thyme. Garlic and thyme are invisible now, but they will appear later in this video. Take a large pan or wok, add olive oil and heat it up on medium-high temperature. You can also use any other type of vegetable oil if you wish. Add sliced mushrooms, diced onion, 1 teaspoon salt. Adding salt to the vegetables will help drain the excess moisture out faster. Chopped dry tomatoes, thyme, and fry them together for about 12 minutes. Optional, if you like, you can add 1 teaspoon sugar to caramelize the onions. Once the mushrooms are done, we will take a baking tray and put the 1 cm baguette slices to bake until they are crunchy and light brown. Take a pan or skillet and melt 70 gram butter. Press 2 garlic cloves in it and fry them on low-medium heat for 2 minutes to release the garlic flavor. Adding garlic to this recipe will upgrade your crostinis for sure. Take the baguette slices and dip them gently on one side into the melted butter. Everybody knows how the smell of fresh garlic bread will turn a bad day into a good one. To finish these delicious babies, add your mushroom mix over the slices. Sprinkle some parmesan and fresh parsley to finish this recipe and enjoy it with your friends and family.